Okay, well, here we are. We are at Sunset Aquatic in Huntington Beach. Big Betty is parked. We're waiting for the customer so we can give them the boat. We're gonna strip off the wide load signs, take off the flags. We gotta go down to San Diego and get a military boat going to New York. Again, this is the Lucas Oil race boat, 51 Mystic. Just brought it out from New Jersey. I'm sorry. Brought it out from Sarasota, Florida. Can't even get my date straight. Notice this boat does not have normal drives. It has BPM shaft drives. Right here, they can go. That can trim the shaft up and down. Has a single rudder for steering. This is an enclosed cockpit, two-person boat, strictly set up for speed. It is not a pleasure boat. This has a pintle hook instead of a normal ball. This is commonly referred to as a military hitch. It is stronger than a ball. And naturally, the trailer is by Myco. All your big race boats in the country use Myco trailers out of Bradenton, Florida. If you're interested in a Myco, call down there, speak to Ronnie.